Howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Saran and Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, today in this session of podcast, which is the first podcast of 2021, today we are going to talk about the four essential ingredients of our life which we mostly miss out, or something which we should never miss out. Okay, so this happened this month. So one of my coach has actually given me this enlightening piece of fact which has made me understand the importance that each one of these essential elements holds in our life. So I am very curious to let you know what those elements are. So I hope you are ready to. So why wait when we can dive in straight away? Okay. So in our everyday life, we do a lot of things, and all these lot of things definitely require a lot of element. Starting from what food we eat, what work we do, who our friends are, what memes do we watch, all the fun, frolic movies, entertainment, etc., and the list keeps going on. So in all of these, there are these four broader areas which we address to, or we can say these are the four major areas which control our existence. Okay, so the first element which we are going to check out is the intellectual set. Okay, so what is this intellectual set? So in our life, as I already told, we have four broader areas which we are referring to as sets. So to each of it, to give a better understanding, I am giving a name to it which particularly resonates to what it represents. So here we are having an intellectual set. So this refers to your professional, financial and career development. But never worry about the intellectual set, because most of our time, in 90% of our life, we make sure that our professional, career and our financial development is properly catered to. Sometimes due to very poor financial planning we might miss out on it, but other time we make sure, or we actually strive to make sure that our professional development is on point. So this is fine. So the second set is our physical set. So when it comes to physical set, this broadly refers to your physical fitness, the way you control your diet, knowing what to eat, what your body needs, how healthy you are, and all these. So now you might be thinking, okay, am I doing it or not? Okay, so many times we do give enough importance, or at least a considerable amount of importance to this. The reason being, whenever we feel unhealthy or whenever we get some infection or allergies, we make sure that we go to a doctor immediately and get it fixed. So in this case, we are actually safe. So now that we frown over this, the next thing, or the next one we have in a pipeline, is a heart and emotional set. Okay, so now answer yourself honestly. How much of importance do you give to this? You know what? Our lives are completely made up of emotions. But how much importance are they receiving? How validating are our emotions are? So how much do we actually respect our emotion? Are you getting your answers? Have you ever asked yourself how you feel? Do you know clearly whom you want to spend time with? Or when you really know clearly whom you want to spend time with, are you actually spending time with? If sometimes your emotion tell you, I wanted to eat an ice cream, are you actually taking time to eat that ice cream? Or are you just busy chasing your job saying, okay, so even though I crave for ice cream, I don't have time to do it. So how? Okay, we all speak tons. We really speak lectures after lectures, podcast over podcast, and many social media things on following our heart. Follow your heart. Go behind your passion. But again, are you actually doing it? How often do we ever speak to yourself? How often do you even ask yourself how you feel? Terrible, right? Okay. So the main thing, or the main outcome of it, is to actually make you realize which state of you in order to listen to your emotions properly. Take action right away. Okay, so now since you're already in this questionable state of mind, let me put forward the final set. And this is the soul set. But keeping in last doesn't mean it is the least important. Actually, compared to everything else, this is the most important set which we are going to speak about. This is something which actually keeps you going. Your soul set defines who you really are in your life. But guess what? 65% of people, according to a fact, okay, 65% of people die in life without even knowing who they are or what they want to. Is it shocking to you or is it normal? Okay, you and me might be one of it too. Now it's shocking, right? Okay, so imagine living a life for 50 years, okay, and then as you lose all your energy and lie back on your couch restless and have nothing better to do than just thinking, then you wonder what you have done so long and how has time passed so quickly. And all that you can see is you running to work, chasing something, going behind money, and just rushing out on your house, running upstairs, doing nothing, or even chilling at Netflix, playing games. Would you be happy by then thinking all these? Would you really feel, wow, what a life? Or would you feel, my god, where was my life? Answer is yours. But then, when you're 50, when you think all these and when you think, my god, you'll never have something. You know what? You know what you'll never have? You'll never have a button through which you can go back and change things. Okay, so now that you're super terrified, let me also offer you another magic pill. You still stand a chance. Today, right here, as you're listening to this podcast, you have that magic pill right in front of you. Sit down, take a deep breath, close your eyes, start visualizing yourself as an old man or an old woman sitting on a chair, and then fast forward your life to a stage when you will be 50 or 60. See how your life would be if you spend every day of your life as you have spent yesterday and today. Just think how your life would be. And if you feel, wow, it's great, amazing. But if you feel, oh no, it shouldn't be this way, then again I'm saying you still stand a chance. Take action. Take immediate action and just run right away. Because right now when you're fast forwarding, you always have this option to come back to a present moment and change everything upside down. Come back, take an immediate action. Every action you do today would definitely make an outcome on your tomorrow. So with all these being said, I would like to conclude this session of podcast by giving you again a very important glimpse at your intellectual set, your physical set, your heart and emotion set, and your soul set is very important. The magical pill that would change your life once and forever is with you. The actionable steps which you're going to take right now, not tomorrow or not day after tomorrow, right now. Okay, so hope this podcast has made an impact, and if it did, do let me know in your Facebook and Instagram. This will really put a very big smile and also motivates me to create more such podcasts. So keep hustling, keep smiling, and more importantly, keep listening to The Mind Business. Bye bye.